In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email Asana. Whether you're a project management pro or just getting started with Asana, being able to email tasks can really streamline your workflow. So follow along as we walk through the steps together. It's easier than you might think. First, let's start by navigating to Asana's website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Asana, or simply search for Asana login page. Once you reach the login page, you'll need to enter your email address. This is the email associated with your Asana account, so make sure it's accurate. Input your email into the designated field, and when you're all set, go ahead and click on continue. Next up, you'll be prompted to enter your password. This is a crucial step, so ensure your password is entered correctly. Remember, it's case sensitive. Once you've entered your credentials, click on log in. Great. Now you're on your Asana homepage, which serves as the hub of all your projects and tasks. Take a moment to familiarize yourself if you haven't been here in a while. The next move is to select a project you want to work on. Simply click on one of your existing projects from the dashboard. This will guide you into the project workspace where you can see all the tasks pertaining to that particular project. Now direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find a menu or header drop-down. Click on it and a list of options will be shown. From this menu, you'll want to find and click on Import. This will give you several choices for importing data into Asana. Among those options, locate Email and click on it. Once you do this, you'll be prompted with instructions on how to email tasks directly into your Asana project. What you'll find is a unique email address that Asana has generated just for this purpose. This is the key to emailing tasks into the project. You can use your regular email client, whether that's Outlook, Gmail or any other, to send tasks directly to Asana. To do this, simply draft an email with your task details and send it to the provided email address. Be sure to include necessary information such as task name, description, and any due dates if applicable. And with that, your task will appear within the project space in Asana, streamlining your process significantly. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily email tasks to Asana and keep your projects organized. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial.